Following last week's wild ride, the new trading session and new trading week got off to a relatively quiet start on a lack of negative news as well as growing Fed speculation. Now, with minimal economic reports released today out of the United States, that of which included a slight improvement in Chicago economic activity, investors were instead clinging closely to speculation that the Federal Reserve and its chairman, Ben Bernanke, would lay out a plan to prop up the faltering U.S. economy, possibly a QE3 package. This during his speech this coming Friday from Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Meanwhile, in the commodities markets, gold prices continuing to rise, trading above $1,892 an ounce. Front-month crude prices also rising on news that Libyan rebels overtook the capital of Tripoli, and Eurozone debt concerns continue to hammer global financial institutions. This, when combined, all paved the way for roughly 57% of the 2.8 billion shares trading on the New York Stock Exchange to be rising. Now, taking a look to see how the Dow Jones has closed out the first trading session of the week, the Dow up 37 points even to settle in at 10,854.65. In a breakdown of today's major market movers, we first begin with shares of Hewlett-Packard rebounding more than 4% intraday, this after announcing a price cut to its HP tablet to $99, this due to discontinuation. Meanwhile, shares of Lowe's rising 1.5% after announcing plans to buy back roughly $5 billion in common stocks over the next 2 to 3 years. On the downside, however, Bank of America, it's continuing its steep declines from last week due to its job cuts announcements. And Kinetic Concepts rising 2.2% today, this after receiving a takeover bid from Convatec for roughly $6.3 billion, that of which includes its debt.